Hello friends, now I am going to solve the question number 3 of chapter 13.1. The question is, a toy is in the form of a cone. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 cm mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 cm. Find the total surface area of the toy. It is given here, a toy is in the form of a cone. First, it is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 cm, of radius r is equal to 3.5 cm, mounted on a hemisphere. It is a hemisphere upon which a cone is mounted of same radius. It means the radius of this hemisphere is equal to 3.5 cm. And the total height of the toy is 15.5 cm. Total height of the toy is 15.5 cm. Therefore, the height of the cone will be equal to 15.5 minus this height. This height is equal to 3.5. That is 3.5 is equal to 12 cm. And now we have to find the total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy will be equal to the surface area of the cone plus surface area of the hemisphere. And here, total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of toy equal to surface area, curved surface area. Surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. And the curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi RL. Pi RL plus curved surface area of a hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Here we don't know about L. The L is the slant height of the cone. This slant height. The slant height of the cone, it is L. And we have to find the value of L. Therefore, the value of L is equal to root under h square plus r square, where h is the height of cone and r is the radius of cone, equal to h. Height of cone is equal to 12 cm. Therefore, square of 12 plus r, radius of cone, is equal to 3.5 cm square. Now, 12 square of 12 is equal to 144 plus 3.5 square is equal to, square of 5 is 25 and 3 4 ja 12, and point will be placed here. It means 3.5 square of 3.5 will be equal to 12.25. After adding, we get 25.651. It means 156.25. Now we have to get out 156.25 out of root. 156.25 upon 100, which can be written as 10 into 10, and 15625. It is the square root of 5. 5 into 5, 25, and 12 into 13 is equal to 156. Therefore, it will be the square root of 125. After getting it out from square root, it will be 125. 125 upon 10 or 12.5 centimeter. That is the slant height. Slant height of the cone L is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Now total surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of toy. It can be written as pi RL plus 2 pi r square. Here we can put the values of all these things, but for convenience I am going to take some common things, pi and r from here. It remains L, or from here 2 r. Now pi 22 upon 7 into r. Value of r is 3.5 into L. Value of L is 12.5 plus value of 2 into r, 3.5. Again 7 5s, it means 22 into 0.5, 12.5 plus 35 to the 70 point will be placed here. Now 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10 and plus 1, 11 into, after adding 5.7 plus 2, 9, 19.5. By multiplying 11 5s are 55, carry 5, 11 9s are 99, 9 plus 5 14, and it becomes 10, and 11 1s are 11, 4 1 2, 2 1 4 5. It becomes 2 1 4 5, and the point will be here after before a number. Here we are finding total surface area, therefore its unit will be centimeter square. Therefore total surface area of the toy is 214.5 centimeters square.